Although
They are just
not all is agreed to it. So the formation was made. Even many people
doesn't want to.
contradict it.
Kaya nga
So,
po yung sinasabing peace and
to the Bible, the people will shout peace. It means they have to proclaim peace. But actually, in the
There is
other
no peace.
side, the sudden destruction will come. They have proclaimed peace. How to proclaim peace?
Leader to leader, they
So
have to
we have
agree.
to make it,
Peace.
we have to make
Agreement.
That is how they make peace. It is just like saying ceasefire. They for a while they made it, but
There is peace.
in their after their proclamation, another war is made.
Going on.
So we are after the happenings. What is the significance of Obama's proclamation in the prophecy? So the program of Obama's now is
Peace and
that
unity.
all the world is one. That is the program of Obama. He said that war should be stopped. Then economy should be equal according to the program. So that's why the question now that we need to answer is, where did the money came from? That money that was distributed throughout the world. America have no money. Where did that come from? That is from the Pope. That is from the World Bank. Why is it? Maybe the question now that we have to answer is, what is the purpose of giving this money? So that is now the process that the September 11, 2010. We should be watchful. You know, Sister Gigi, in my account about the account of these events. This is the question, Sister Lindy.
Gusto niyo mapanood?
When September, when March 20, 2003 happened, who gave a very big significance on that event?
Prophetic.
None. Only the prophetic.
Eh, di mayroon pa rin.
I will repeat. I will repeat.
Pero kasi bayan ng
Yes,
Japan.
I will repeat.
Kaya hindi po
March
pwedeng
20,
isipin ng bayan ng
March
Diyos.
20,
Sabi,
2000
ng bayan ng Diyos.
March 20, 2003 have no significant event to the world. But why is it that we give significance to it? Because we have followed the prophecy. And if there is no prophecy, even us will not give an account to
It's just
that
an ordinary
event.
day.
So September 11, 2010, to many, there is no significant. But
Amerika po mayroon.
why
Kaya nga
no
ano nila.
they don't give.
Kaya nga po sineselebrate nila pagdating ng
No.
Doon lang, pero sa atin,
No.
sa prophecy kasi.
Sister Gigi, your answer is not on the point that I want to talk about. What I mean is the proclamation of Obama on September 11. September 11 has a great significance to us who is studying the prophecy. But for too many,
It is
it is just normal to proclaim it because we want peace, we want love, we don't want killing. That is what they are thinking about it. But for us,
Following
being
the
a
prophecy.
student of prophecy, we know that this is the events we need to know because this is connected with the World Trade Center. And I don't know how we reckoned this in our mind, Sister Gigi. In volume 9, I don't know why the title is For the Coming of the King and then the Last Crisis. When we apply these two passages, there is a two application. Why? The last crisis is the beginning of time of trouble, or March 20, 2003, that is the beginning of the last crisis.
When,
While the coming of the king, for the coming of the king, this is for a second coming. So there is a two significant event on this event of the World Trade Center. So we will be watchful for the events connected with the World Trade Center. And that proclamation of Obama that war should be
cut off.
stopped, then all nations should be equal. That is, they are, according to the record, they will be one mind.
One religion.
They will be in equal condition because they have in one mind. And then they have given the power to the beast. Now the question is, where did this money come? So that is the significant events. I repeat, where did this money came from? America has no money to give.
They are
Ah?
already in
So,
ano?
and the World Bank is not at, and the World Bank, the owner is the Pope. According to the evidences that secret searcher is making proclamation. We are not the one proclaiming it, but we just copied what they they found in their searching. Who is the owner of the World Bank today? Not America, because America have great debt to the World Bank. So how can he be the owner of the World Bank? So it has been proclaimed that the Pope is the owner of the World Bank. It means that all people of the world have an accountability to the Pope today. They are the Pope is the God of the world. So that is the truth that we should to meditate on this time. I have before I proceed to my topic now,